channel. Today we are going to make hot pongal. For that we need to fry moong dal and wash the rice and set aside. You have to take both are in equal quantity. First of all, you have to fry till it become golden brown color. After that you can add rice into it. After frying, now you have to add rice. After adding rice and put the lid and whistle it for and get whistles up to 4 or 5. Four or five whistles. After whistles, now you have to take off the lid and add little bit of salt and mash it well. After mashing, now you have to add tadka. For tadka, now you have to switch off the gas and put a bowl and add little bit of ghee. After that, you have to need curry leaves, green chillies, zeera and black pepper. You can also add cashew nuts, but I forgot to add. After ghee was boiled, now you have to add the ingredients and stir it and add it to the pongal. Add it to the pongal and mix it. Now hot pongal is ready. Thanks for watching. Please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel.